Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys, and today I'll be showing you how to promote your YouTube videos with Google Ads. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's go straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official Google Ads website ads.google.com and log into your account. If you do not already have an account guys, just go ahead and register for an account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your campaigns that you can run. So guys, we want to go ahead and start a new campaign so we can advertise our videos. So go ahead and click this blue button right here with a plus sign called New Campaign. So clicking on this guys, you want to go ahead and select what your objective is. We're going to put that our objective is website traffic. So here you can see conversion goals, our page views. Go ahead and click on continue right here. And now guys, you have the option to select a campaign type, and we want to select this option right here called video. As you can see, it says reach and engage viewers on YouTube and across the web. So clicking on that guys, now you can set up conversion tracking right here, and then you'll be able to continue. Go ahead and click on set up conversion tracking, select what kind of conversion you want, type in your website domain right here and save and continue. And after saving guys, then you'll be able to go ahead and follow through with adding your video and adding all your info to your campaign so you can successfully advertise your video. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.